Breaking news. A dangerous tornado outbreak is underway across the south and east, with the potential for strong, long-track tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. NOAA's Storm Prediction Center has issued a rare 5 out of 5 high risk for severe weather today. This level is only used when violent tornadoes or widespread destruction are expected. Areas from Louisiana to Tennessee, including Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia, are at the greatest risk. Cities like Birmingham, Huntsville, Nashville, and Atlanta could see life-threatening storms. Key warning: some tornadoes could be violent and long-tracked, especially during the evening and overnight hours. Yesterday, tornadoes caused significant damage in Missouri and Mississippi, and the threat continues to grow. If you're in the affected areas, know where your safe shelter is and have multiple ways to receive warnings. Stay tuned for updates and share this alert to keep others safe. This is a serious situation. Take action now.